Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Turo. Turo is an application marketplace where you can rent cars and everything that you want for transportation. There's like trucks, Teslas, and it's really good. Yeah, and this is how you do it. You first go and find the city that you are in. I'm gonna use my current location, and I'm just gonna search it up. And then there's gonna be available cars near me, and these are the cars that are near me. So I have to be careful, and it shows the trips for each car, and it shows like how it's the mileage and everything. So I'm just gonna pick this one, Ford Mustang, since we were in America. And then you need to trip the dates. You click on change. So let's say I want to rent it out for 1 week, from 8 to 15. You save it, and after you save it, it's gonna show the pickup and return location. We can also do a 3+ day discount for $2.75, and the distance included is 1,200 miles, so I can drive for 1,200 miles, and additional mile is 22 cents. So let's say I drove for 100 extra miles, I have to pay $22.2. It shows the car's basics and also the favorites features, like the car's assistance, blind spot warning, convertible, and also there's a description written by the guy, like the owner of the car. Also, you can find the ratings here. You can find the reviews to see if it's legit or not. So this is the guy who owns it, Maya, or woman who owns it, and prepaid refill and everything is included. So you can like do that. It's really easy. You can also get a very cool car like this one. Let's say you're going for a 2-day vacation, you want to buy a good car. That's how you do it. It's available in Murphy, Texas, so you can choose the date again, and you can see the distance included, 450 miles, and the description is available here, and the rating is here, and also it shows the reviews here. Great service, the pickup and return was smooth, very nice. It's like real people who are doing it. And basically this was it for this video. That's how you do it, and after you buy it, you will get in contact and you will click on your inbox to find it. And basically this is it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.